Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best food scales. Through extensive research and testing we've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started with the video. Number 1. Nicewell Food Scale, 22 pounds Digital Kitchen Scale. The large platform makes for convenient reading of the weights of ingredients. It is easy to use with touch-sensitive buttons. It also has an auto-off function to save battery life. We find this auto-off function extremely quick, and when this happens, you lose the tare setting you had before the scale turned off. You need to start over again. When looking for the best food scales for diabetics, we found out that these features make a lot of difference: functionality, ease of cleaning, and readability. The unit conversion function comes in handy when the food being weighed doesn't come in your unit of choice. It saves you doing the math. The same goes with the tare function. Especially useful for diabetics are food scales that provide nutritional data and come with a compatible app for making food logging easier. Remember that the surface of the food scale that comes in direct contact with food should always be sanitized. Choose scales with a removable platform for easy cleaning. It is better if the scale itself is waterproof. Lastly, a pull-out display gives the best visibility. The display must feature large and clear text. Pros: precise measurement with 1g or 1 ounce increments. 5 weight unit conversion. Auto-off function saves battery life. Heavy and stable. Cons: tare setting lost when scale. Number 2. INEVIFIT Digital Kitchen Scale, highly accurate. If you're looking to control your food portion with the right amount of ingredients, you should try out this digital scale by INEVIFIT. It has a simple mechanism, and it's pretty easy to use. You can use it to weigh your food in ounces, grams, milliliters, or pounds, and the sleek stainless steel build makes it an attractive piece on the kitchen counter. We have earlier used products from INEVIFIT, and the quality was brilliant, which is why we opted for this unit from the same brand. The flat stainless steel weighing surface makes this product stand out amongst the rest. One of the features that we appreciate the most is the tare function that allows us to place a mixing bowl on the weighing surface before switching it on, after which, we can add the ingredients to prevent it from measuring the weight of the bowl, and it accurately displays the weight of the food items alone. Plus, the auto shut-off feature is another essential function that activates. Moreover, the low battery indicator is also handy because it helps to prevent a last-minute shutdown, and what tops the list is the 5-year warranty that makes it a great purchase. Pros: weighs up to 13 pounds, 6 kilograms. Covered with a 5-year warranty. Has a sturdy construction. Features a tare function. Cons: large mixing bowls. Number 3. Digital Kitchen Scale Digital Weight. We have bought a few food scales over the past few years. Because of its heavy usage in our workstation, the Gadgetly digital food scale has a unique weighing scale platform that is wide and flat, making it easy for us to weigh the items. We can either place the ingredients directly on the scale or the mixing bowl, without facing any challenges while reading the numbers. Moreover, it comes with 4 high-precision sensors, so irrespective of the location of the food items, it gives us an accurate reading. It has an excellent tare precision that makes it easy to weigh the ingredients. We have to press the button, and it resets to 0 in no time, so we can weigh the ingredients without having to wait for too long. The maximum weighing capacity is about 176 ounces, and we appreciate the 4-unit measuring units because we don't have to convert the weights after measuring them. This helps to eliminate the hassle as it presents a user-friendly mechanism. We have been using this scale for quite some time now, and we must say the quality of this product is incredibly top-notch and it's reasonable price-wise. Pros: flat and wide weighing tray. Digital meter comes with a backlight. Sleek and stainless steel body. 4 precision sensors. Cons: it doesn't come. Number 4. Greater Goods Nutrition Food Scale, perfect. The Greater Goods Food Scale makes life easier. This model features a nutrition tracker built into a food scale that weighs and calculates the nutritional values of food. 4 precision weighing sensors ensure an accurate reading of foods up to 11 pounds, in 0, 1 ounce increments. This scale comes complete with a database of nutrition facts for over 2,000 foods and the ability to create up to 99 additional custom entries. when making a snack or meal, enter the code for each ingredient similar to a grocery store register using the touchscreen keypad. A nutrition fact label will appear on the backlit LCD display. After the recipe is complete, the scale will calculate the total nutritional value. The tempered glass top is touch-sensitive and features a tare function to calculate an ingredient's net weight. This scale displays measurements in grams, pounds, and ounces and runs on 3 AAA batteries. It measures 9.25 by 6, 10 by 1.0 inches and weighs 1.79 pounds. The unit button converts measurements between grams, pounds, ounces, fluid ounces, and milliliters. Pros: tracks nutritional value of food. Batteries included. Calibrates automatically. Cons: expensive. Number 5. OXO Good Grips 11-pound stainless steel food scale. The OXO Good Grips stainless steel food scale checks all the boxes: accuracy, design, compact, a user-friendly interface, ease of cleaning, readability, and a large platform. The innovative design features a pull-out backlit digital display for easy, clear reading. The display pulls away from the base and tucks back in for easy storage. This feature also eliminates shadows caused by larger bowls, which can obstruct one's view of the display. This OXO scale is user-friendly with 2 simple buttons: a power button that doubles as a zero function, which clears the scale between readings, and a unit conversion button which toggles between ounces, pounds, grams, and kilograms. The display also includes a maximum weight capacity indicator icon. This scale's stainless steel platform is fingerprint resistant and removable for easy cleaning. The OXO Good Grips food scale weighs foods up to 11 pounds in 0.1 ounce increments and runs on 4 AAA batteries. This scale measures 11.3 by 8.5 x 1.9 inches and weighs just under 2 pounds. It was a little challenging for us in the beginning, but after a few days of regular usage, we have managed to understand the values correctly. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.